James Garfield came to office hoping to bring about civil service reform. He was also committed to trying to defend the rights of the freed slaves, as he spoke about in his inaugural address.
The elevation of the Negro race from slavery to the full rights of citizenship is the most important political change we have known since the adoption of the Constitution of 1787. No thoughtful man can fail to appreciate its beneficent effect upon our institutions and people. It has freed us from the perpetual danger of war and disillusion. It has added immensely to the moral and industrial forces of our people.
Unfortunately, Garfield was shot by an assassin a few months after being inaugurated. His poor medical care led to his death 2 months after being shot.